Welcome to Political Firestorm TV, your source for truthful, credible, and trustworthy news. Today, I'm diving into the controversial arrest of former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte, or PRRD. We're talking legality, due process, and constitutional rights. Let's break down whether this arrest holds up under Philippine law. Reports suggest Duterte was arrested without being properly informed of his rights, without an original arrest warrant, and without observance of the Miranda Doctrine. These are serious allegations that raise major constitutional and legal concerns, legal provisions, supporting the illegality of the arrest. So, let's get into the legal nitty-gritty. 1. Article 3, Section 1 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution. Due Process Clause. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person be denied the equal protection of the laws. If Duterte was arrested without due process, that's unconstitutional. The failure to properly conduct the arrest without due process is unconstitutional. Next up, the rules for warrantless arrests. 2. Rule 113, Section 5 of the Revised Rules of Criminal Procedure. Warrantless arrests. Under this rule, a person can only be arrested without a warrant if they commit a crime in the presence of an officer. They have just committed a crime and there is probable cause based on personal knowledge. The person is an escaped prisoner. Since none of these conditions apply to PRRD's case, his alleged arrest without a warrant is illegal. Next up, rights of persons under custodial investigation. 3. Republic Act, Num 7438. This act mandates any person arrested, detained, or under custodial investigation shall at all times be assisted by counsel and informed of their right to remain silent. If PRRD was not read his Miranda rights and was not given access to a lawyer, it violates this law, making the arrest unlawful. Next up, right to fair trial. Moving on, the right to a fair trial. 4. Article 3, Section 14 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution. No person shall be held to answer for a criminal offense without due process of law. PRRD must be given a fair trial before any arrest, ensuring that all legal procedures are followed. And finally, arbitrary detention. 5. Article 124 of the Revised Penal Code. Any public officer who detains a person without legal grounds shall be guilty of arbitrary detention. If authorities arrested PRRD without legal grounds, those responsible can face criminal charges. So let's conclude. Why the arrest is illegal. The alleged arrest of Duterte appears illegal under Philippine law due to several reasons. 1. No proper arrest warrant was presented. 2. No Miranda rights were read, violating RA 7438. 3. Due process was ignored, violating Article 3, Section 1 of the Constitution. 4. The arrest did not fall under Rule 113, Section 5 of the Revised Rules of Criminal Procedure. 5. Possible violation of PRRD's right to a fair trial under Article 3, Section 14. Final verdict. The arrest of PRRD based on the reported circumstances is illegal under Philippine law. Legal remedies for PRRD. So what can Duterte do? 1. File a habeas corpus petition, Article 3, Section 15 of the Constitution, to challenge the legality of the detention. 2. Sue for arbitrary detention, Article 124 of the Revised Penal Code, to hold authorities accountable. 3. Invoke RA 7438 to demand compensation for violation of rights. 4. Petition for dismissal of charges due to the illegal manner of arrest. That wraps up our legal analysis of Rodrigo Duterte's arrest. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into pressing legal issues. Catch you next time.